Hi, my name is Haley Kent from Listowel Honda, and I'm a financial service specialist here at the dealership. We're reaching out to you because our records indicate that you're nearing the end of your Honda's warranty coverage. You have several options available to you to extend your coverage, or you can choose to let your warranty expire. We offer a wide range of warranty products, ranging in price from $1,303 to $4,803, and can provide coverage from 40,000 additional kilometers up to 100,000 kilometers beyond your original 60,000 kilometer warranty, or from 1 year up to 7 years of additional coverage beyond your 3-year factory warranty. We are reaching out to you at this point to highlight the value of developing a holistic service solution for your vehicle now rather than later. There are two main advantages to taking action now. Firstly, an inspection is required for any vehicle which has more than 3 years of active service or over 60,000 kilometers. This inspection is usually 1 hour in length and costs approximately $145 at our current shop rates. This means if you elect to purchase an extended warranty now rather than later, there would be no additional cost outside the cost of the warranty program you select. Secondly, while the vehicle is within the 5-year 100,000 kilometer powertrain warranty, we can still offer a Honda Plus extended warranty. If your vehicle exceeds 100,000 kilometers total mileage, unfortunately, you will no longer qualify. If you do elect to allow your warranty to expire and change your mind, this is not a problem. So long as your vehicle is no older than 5 model years and is below 100,000 kilometers, we can qualify you for a protection product that suits your needs. Keeping in mind that as your vehicle ages and acquires more mileage, the products available will become more limited. Please contact us here at Listowel Honda if you want to discuss extending your vehicle's warranty, discuss additional protection products, or if you have any questions about the service programs available to you and your Honda. Thank you for your attention today, and drive safely.